For minorities in Pakistan, it has never been easygoing, and now the minuscule Hindu community is feeling the pinch of engendered biases. An old Hindu temple which was built before partition exists inside the Delhi gate. It was attacked by vandals during the Babri Masjid controversy and was badly damaged. It has been under the control of the EVACUEE Trust Property Board, which is responsible for the property left behind by migrating communities during and after partition. Today, this temple is surrounded by a huge cloth market. Local residents allege that the authorities, in connivance with the local land mafia, are trying to occupy the temple land in violation of the rules.
यहाँ था मंदिर, दीवार भी थी, आगे कैंटीन थी चाय वाली, बस इससे ज़्यादा मालूम आने लगा क्योंकि बड़ी आंखें मेरे ऊपर।
वो मसला ये नहीं है जो आमर नहीं है, वो जो है टाउन का जो मियाँ आमिर उसका साथ सेल है नायब नाज़िम, वो असल में उनके साथ इनकी अलग से लग है।
We tried to speak to some shopkeepers from the area, but they refused to speak in front of the camera, as they fear retaliation from the influential people involved in the case. The temple has been reduced to a mere facade, a bleak reminder of the existence of Hindu culture in the area.
नेक आओ त्याग करके ना बेटा, वो थोड़ी सी जगह छोड़ दी मंदिर का जो थोड़ी जगह छोड़ के क्या मिसाल के 10 मिले जगह है, आपने आधा मतलब मस्जिद के लिए छोड़ दी है, सिर्फ मस्जिद का नाम नहीं बकाया आपने 9-10 मिले कवर कर लिया।
हालांकि जब अगर हमारी मस्जिद होती है जैसे
मैं हमारी पूरी बात बता दी ना मैंने आपको, मुख्तसर बात ये है कि वो मंदिर की सारी जगह कवर करके उन्होंने वहाँ पे निशानी कागज में छोड़ दी मंदिर, ये मंदिर है कल में कोई आदमी आया तो पता लगे इसमें ना 4-5-6 आदमी नुआल है, एक आदमी नहीं है, एक आदमी का काम नहीं है, ऐसे जैसे भी काम होते हैं माशाल्लाह समझदार हैं, स्वाबी हैं, तो ये उसका के लोग मिला के काम करते हैं, कुछ महकमे मिले होते हैं।
And the issue would have been forgotten and buried if it were not for a shopkeeper from the neighborhood of the temple. He wrote a letter to the Chief Justice of Pakistan, Justice Iftikhar Muhammad Chaudhry, pointing out that a commercial plaza has been constructed at the temple site. The letter said that the Lahore government and the ETPB had given permission for construction of the plaza adjacent to the temple. It also claimed that the sole condition attached to the construction was that the temple would be renovated by the owner of the plaza. We quizzed the EVACUEE Trust Property Board chairman on the issue, and this is what he had to say.
That mandir never been demolished. We never ever sell that place. Actually, it happened in 2005. LMC issued a notice to our department, and that this building is dangerous, so please demolish that. And what we did, we never demolished because the person who is renovating that, he was our tenant from 1960. We allow him to rebuild that, and when in our law, in Act of ETPB, only he can develop who was sitting inside and all that.
The Supreme Court has taken up the case and issued notices to the Attorney General, the District Coordination Officer, Lahore ETPB authorities for a detailed hearing. And better late than never, it has also ordered to immediately stop the illegal construction. Mariyam Pervaiz, DawnNews, Lahore.